Hello everyone, welcome to the session. So in this particular video, I'll talk about another key term which is really important to understand before we will start about actual sorting algorithms that we want to discuss. And that is about the in-place and out-place sorting algorithm. So what I am saying is, there are two words that you will listen quite a lot whenever we are talking about sorting algorithms. One is in-place and another one is outplace sorting algorithm. Okay, in-place and outplace sorting algorithm. So what does that mean? What is the meaning of in-place and outplace sorting algorithm? So whenever we are talking about in-place sorting algorithm, it simply means that we are not using any kind of extra space in order to sort an array. So as the name is also suggesting, that here we are not using any extra space. So that is the important point here to understand, that here we are not using any extra space, okay, to sort an array. So when you are not using any extra space to sort an array, that is something which we are talking as a in-place sorting algorithm. But suppose if you are using any extra space, for example, you will came across many sorting algorithms that we will cover up in our upcoming classes, where you will see that one thing is that we are having the array. That's fine. That's not an extra space. But apart from that, in order to sort that array, I need some extra space. In order to run that code, we are using or we are creating some extra array, right? At that point of time, so outplace says outplace, as the name suggests. Outplace means that you are using an extra space. You are using an extra space to sort the array, right? This is the meaning of outplace sorting algorithm. That is the major difference. For example, we will come across one of the very famous sorting algorithm, and this is the one which is widely used in maximum scenarios because it is the most optimized one in terms of the time complexity, although it will use some extra space. So it is called as merge sort, that we will discuss about in our future sessions. As I told you, it's an application of divide and conquer. So in that module, you will see a complete in-depth explanation of this merge sort. Okay, so we will discuss about this application inside the application of divide and conquer module. But as of now, I just want to let you know that what is the difference between these two and which one is the famous among them, which is specifically known as a outplace sorting algorithm. Okay, so I hope that I'm making sense to everyone. If someone is asking to you now in any of the interview that what is the difference between in-place and outplace, or what is the difference between stable and unstable, I hope you will be able to answer it very much clearly. Now I think it's the right time that in the next upcoming videos we will talk about the actual sorting algorithms. So now we can start with the bubble sort in my upcoming session. Hope you all are excited with me. Happy learning to all. Bye bye everyone. See you soon in my next upcoming session.